Hey guys, do you think you are enough smart? If yes, then get ready to solve this quiz. This quiz is based on quick IQ test. This quiz contains 15 questions and you will get 15 seconds to answer each question. Don't pause the video to get your answer. So, are you ready to start the quiz? Let's start. Divide 60 by half and add 30. Do it wisely. As you can see in the calculation, your answer is option C, 150. What number comes next in the series 3, 7, 13, 21? Find the relation between the numbers. As you can see the relation, your final answer is option A, 31. If newspaper is to editor, then film is to? I think here creator is needed. Yes, you're right. Option C, director. What is 30% of $40? As you can see in the calculation, your answer is option B, $12. How many fives present between 1 to 100? Count it. If you count the 5, you will get the answer option D, 20. If there are 568 apples and you took 67 from it, how many apples do you have? Think wisely. Answer is option C, 67. What is half of quarter of 8,000? Don't get confused. As you can see the calculation, your answer is option B, 1000. On the way from home to school, John saw 25 trees on his left. After classes on his way back to home, he saw 25 trees on his right. How many trees did John see in total? So your answer is option A, 25 trees. Which is odd one out? Dog, cow, goat, buffalo. Yes, you are right. Option D, dog, because all other animals are herbivorous. If P denotes multiplication, T denotes minus, M denotes addition and B denotes division, then 12P 6M, 15T, 16B, 4 is equal to what? You can see the calculation, so your final answer is option C, 83. What is next? Observe the figures carefully. Your answer is option D. The successor of 1 million is. Don't get confused in the numbers. The correct answer is option B, 1,000,001. Desert is to oasis as ocean is to? Think. It's D. Island, as oasis is the part of desert and island is part of ocean. Rearrange the letters and select the category FAREFIG. Arrange it. It's easy. Yes, option B, animal. As you rearrange the letters, you will get giraffe and it is an animal. If the day before yesterday is 2 days after Monday, then what day is it today? Yes, you are right. Option C, Friday. Great job! You have successfully completed your quiz. Hope you remember your score. If yes, then check your results. If you score between 0 and 4, you need more practice. If you score between 5 and 8, then you are average. If you score between 9 and 12, then you are a smart. And if you score between 13 to 15, then you are a genius one. Congratulations! If you like my channel, then share it with your friends and subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thank you for watching.